presentation, City of Mandaluyong Science High School. A round of applause, please.
And now, our next school presenters, our very own Korean High School.
To our esteemed guests, fellow teachers, and students, good afternoon. I am Charlotte Asis, the teacher facilitator and club advisor of the Eye of the Code program here at Kulyat High School. I am here to share with you the general objectives of building this website. This website aims to showcase the knowledge, skills, talent, and values gained by our students from the I Am the Code 12-week program, including its course module and video tutorials. It also aims to share knowledge and information about the benefits of the I Am the Code, which enables our students to become globally competitive individuals, particularly in the use of technology. And now, it is my pride and honor to give the floor to our amazing, dedicated, and talented I Am the Code learners as they discuss the different parts of their website. Take it away.
The objective of this presentation is to walk you through